ሰላም እዚህ መደብ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ጀመርቲው This is Let's Speak English with me Habtabo Lemgares, the most natural and practical way of learning English. Today we are going to see writing skills for beginners. ብዙሕ ሰብ ጽሕፈት ክእል ይኽእል ከሎ ወይ ናይ ጽሕፈት ክእለት ማለት ፊደላት ወይ ቃላት ኣወራት ክትስፍር ምኻል ንኣብነት ኣብ ሰሌዳ ሪኢኻ ደድራኻ ኣወራት ምስፋር እዚ ናይ ጽሕፈት ክእለት ኣይኮነን እዚ copying. This is not writing, it's copying. writing ንብሎ ኣብ ምርኻ ዘሎ ሓሳብ ሰሪዕኻ ኣንባቢ ክርድኦ ብዝኽእል መገዲ ኣወራት ምስፋር ማለት ሓሳብካ ብጽሑፍ ክትገልጽ ምኻል ማለት ካልእ ሰብ እንዳንበበልካ ንሰሚዕኻ ምጽሓፍ is copying, dictating. ኣብ ሰሌዳ ዘሎ ወይ ኣብ ካልእ ወረቐት ዘሎ ነገር እንዳንበብካ እንዳረኻ ምቕዳሕ እዩ ምጽሓፍ ኣይኮነን እዚ ናይ ጽሕፈት ክእለት ዝበሃል ሓሳብካ ቀርኒፍካ ኣወራት ተስፍር ምኻል እዩ ስለዚ እቲ ትጽሕፎ ነገር ሓደ ሙሉእ ሓሳባት ዘለዎ ክኸውን ኣለዎ ተኸታታልነት ዘለዎ መጀመርያን መወዳእታን ዘለዎ ሓደ ሰብ ከም ብኸሎ ካበይ ናበይ ከም ዘሎ ክርድኦ ብዝኽእል ኣገባብ ክጽሓፍ ከሎ ዋሕዚ ሓሳባት ዘለዎ ስለዚ ብሓፈሹ ክትጽሕፍ ከለኻ ሓሳብካ ኣወራት ተስፍር ኣለኻ እቲ ክትዛረቦ ትደሊ ሰብ ምሳኻ ተድልዩ በቓልካ ክትነግሮ ኣብ ርሑቕ ንዘሎ ሰብ ክትነግሮ ዘለካ ነገር ግን ብጽሑፍ መልእኽቲ ትሰዶ ስለዚ እቲ ዘንብቦ ሰብ ከም ብኸሎ ከም ትስኻ ዝሓሰብካዮ ክርድኦ እንድሕር ክኢሉ ንጹርነት ተልይዎ እዚ እንታይ ማለት እዩ ኸይበላይ ሙሉእ ከም ትስኻ ዝሓሰብካዮ ክርድኦ እንድሕር ክኢሉ እዚ እቲ ምጽሓፍ ዝበሃል ስለዚ ራይቲንግ ስኪል ወይ ናይ ምጽሓፍ ክእለት ዝበሃል ሓሳብካ ብጥርኑፍ ብስሩዕ መገዲ ሰብ ክርድኦ ብዝኽእል ኣገባብ ኣወራት ምስፋር ማለት እዩ Now, in writing skill, the basic thing is a sentence. The most important unit in writing skill is the sentence. So we are going to focus on sentence today. What is basic in a sentence? A sentence can be as short as one word. حتى sentence ولا حتى قال تكون طلع. If so, that word should be a verb. حتى sentence تنامو تا sentence حنت غلطات هنا تعالتي أجدنت verb تقول زين تاي ماتي. A verb is the most important part of a sentence. We cannot make any sentence without a verb. When we define, we say a sentence is a group of words that give meaning. A sentence is a group of words that give meaning, but it can be as short as one word. حتى حنت غلطات هنا حنت قالت هنا أتقالت يا جدنت verb تكون على لذي there is no sentence without a verb نبي على مالتي. Here are some examples. Go, run, stop, start. زين كلنا حنت عليه. لين كا sentence معناته هنا حارسب حد نقدر قبل يزار له تأزاز و imperative sentence. لذا حنت sentence حنت قالت هنا تقال verb برتوينها imperative ويكا قبر أي تقبل تقول عيال تأزاز كتب لها كتكمل لا تخيلها لذي sentence حنتقال تكون تخيلها إذا كان صح تزقادم تدي يكون حنتقال بهال sentence بزح يكون بخمين نبيه تي كتصيلو خب verb أقداس نقرب sentence انتهي لتستفز أم action نتي بتا verb بتا حنتقال تتبع لنقر بعل بيت الله أبتغني grammar بعل بيت ملوت subject ماتي subject لو سلزي Mr. verb subject مسخ حدا درجة كنا نوحاوي كنا بين غير. Let's have a look at these examples. You go, I run, she stops, they start. لأن بحنت قالنا ولا subject لو نيوسي هنا still نوحز بلا sentence كنا غيرنا لنا مالتي. The basic sentence structure in English is subject, verb, object. ስለዚህ ኣብዘን ሕጂ ዝረኣናየን ካብዘን ሰለስተ ኣገደስቲ ክፋል ናይ sentence subject and verb ሪእና ኣለና. Let's see how we put the object. ኣብ ሓደ sentence subject and verb ሃልዩ እቲ verb action ተራኺኑ እቲ action ኣብ ምንታይ ተፈፂሙ ንኣብነት The child broke the glass. The child is subject. Broke is the verb. The child broke what? He broke the glass. ስለዚህ the glass objective subject በዓል ቤት ኢልና ተፈጻምነት ነገር verb እቲ action ዘሪና ነገር እቲ action ኣብ ልዕሊ ምንታይ ተፈጺሙ ወይ ኣብ መን ተፈጺሙ ከናኻ object ዝመጽእ ስለዚ the child broke the glass the child subject broke verb the glass object ኣብ ትግርኛ እቲ ኣሰራርዓ ይፍለይ ኣብ English subject verb object ከንከሎ ኣብ ትግርኛ ግን subject object verb እቲ verb the action ዝገልጽ ነገር ድሕሪ ዝመጽእ ኣብዚ ኣብነቲ the child broke the glass ትግርኛ ግን እቲ ቆልዓ ብኬሪ ሰይሩ እቲ ምስባር ወይ እቲ broke ዝብል ክልቲኡ ብቀይሕ ምልክት ኣለኹ ድሕሪ ዝመጽእ ስለዚ structurally ይፈዓል እዩ let's get back to English let's have a look at these examples some more sentences the teacher corrected the mistake the butcher sold 10 kilos of beef the mother bought some bread the mechanic repaired the car she writes letters the policeman stopped the car ኩለን ዘን ኣብነታት እዚአን subject verb object ኣለዎን ስለዚ ኣብዚአን ተመርኪስና ወይ ነዚአን ኣጽኒዕና ንስዕብ exercise ንፈትም now identify the missing part what is missing subject verb or object here are 5 sentences ሕጂ ነታ ቪድዮ ደው ኣቢልካ ወይ ደው ኣቢልኩም ነዘን 5 sentence እቲ ተሪፉ ዘሎ መልእ ወይ fill the blanks what is missing the subject the verb or the object complete them okay here are my answers look at this and compare them with your own answers okay all the verbs that we have seen above are transitive verbs transitive verb ማለት action verb ኮይኑ ግን ነታ action ካብ ፈጻሚ ናብ ተቐባሊ ዝተሓለፈ ከም ተቀዲምና ዘለና the teacher corrected what he corrected the mistakes the child broke what did he break he broke the window ተሰብረ ወይ ነታ action ዝቐበል ነገር ተሰሓቢ ንብሎ ኣብ ናይ ትግርኛ ግራመር ዘለዎ እንተራ ኮይኑ እቲ verb action transitive verb ማለት እዩ እቲ verb ግን ሓንሳ ዓንሳ transitive ከይኮን ይኽእል እዩ لكن يفتصمن تقبلنا يتفتصم زلو اب تفتصم ጥራሕ تودي self action كون هذه okay نابنت she smiled he broke مثلنا انتهي سيرو يقول حتى له he broke the window she smiled ግን او يتفتصم انتهي سحيقة إنه حتى نغير الذي she smile is intransitive verb transitive زي كون عيد action كاب حالي نبت حالي دسقر زي كون عينة verb مالتي let's see some more examples the boy sat down they came back the war stopped أبزم sentence اليوم اتفتسامي راح يزلو استفتسامي قبل علما تفتسيم ويتسحب زبال وobject بهذا يبولون الذي intransitive verbs يبالو intransitive verbs ስለዝኾኑ ግን ብድሕሪ ኣብ ንጽዋርሕ ነገር የለን ማለት ኣይኮነን we can bring any other things to complete the sentence the action ኣበይ ተፈጺሙ ብኸመይ ተፈጺሙ መዓዝ ተፈጺሙ ዝገልጽ ዝኾነ ይኹን ካልእ መቐጸልታ ክህሉ ይኽእል እዩ እዚ ከዓ object ዘይኮነ complement net sentence complete ንክገብር ጥራሕ ዝምላእ complement let's have a look at this again the boy sat down on the chair جنتي sentence ملو قبل أبي كفهم بله كنا action تقبله بobject أيقونه they came back very soon قلت فهم مزيم sentence ملو نخون ويكاتو الصحابة كانوا مهب يوصل ذلك very soon the war stopped a few weeks back توينات معس دوكم بله a few weeks back لذي زيادهم كلهم complements يبالو they are not objects يبال تتقبل action ويتسحب نبلو okay like the first one the child broke what تتسبر نجا أبزجن net sentence complete نخون توسخ حبريت هذا زي بزولي زيمكا complements نبلو كال objects زي اليوم verbs كا زم state verbs نبلو أبنت my mom is a teacher My son is happy. The doctors are in a meeting. The room is clean. The supermarket is full. He will be the best painter in the world. أبزم sentence زلو verbs is, are, will دبليم. بدحري أن نمسك دهنا هون object يلا مهتو. These are not action verbs. They are simply state verbs. Action نيتكبر مالتي. State كأنه مخان. انتهي كم زخان حد نقرناي. My son is what? My son is a teacher. انتهي كم زخانه. وي انت هم تسمعه. My son is happy. الذي تتكسر لسب انت هم تسمعه. وانت هم زخانه تقلص. تكون action يبقى. الذي object أين تبين. Now, which of these three sentences has object? Yes, number 2. Sentence number 2. The man stopped the bus. The object is the bus. Another question. Which sentence has complement? Yes, number 3. She is a teacher. A teacher is not object. Is action a teacher is not object. It is simply a complement. Okay, last question. Which one has no object and no complement? Yes, number 1. The bus stopped. The bus, subjective, stopped, verb, finished. No object, no complement. The action is happening on the subject itself. The bus stopped. Now let's try some exercise. Pause the video and check at the following 10 sentences. Underline the verbs. Which one is the verb? Underline them. Okay, now here are the answers. Check and compare them with the answers you tried earlier. Okay, here is another exercise. Which of the sentences have action verb with object? Yes, these 4 sentences have action verbs because they are followed by objects. He plays tennis. The children helped the old man. They love money. They killed the prisoners. The 4 sentences يوم objects are لدي verb transitive action verb. Don't تعرف شدشته. Haile waited for 2 hours. The train left early. Helen and Joe arrived at the station. The bus leaves every morning at 10 a.m. She is a nurse. Hundreds of people died at the sea. إذا شدش sentence زين كا object زي بالمات. ስለዚህ had a basic هنا sentence ويكا simple basic sentence تاعنا نعو develop ورا بزوصل. It's very easy. Subject توسع مغلقة كي كان لا صفحين دانو حقيقة غريب. تم مسارة هاوغن subject verb object ويكا subject verb complement زلو basic sentence كتسهل مهالي. If you can write basic sentence, then sentence plus sentence plus sentence, they can make paragraphs. تخي حسابنا نقلص all the كله sentence so this is the basic thing. Next, we'll see how to expand the sentence. Sentence دانو عندنا هاي complex compound sentence. But for today, that's what I have. Thank you very much.